This is Dr. B. Lakshmi Sirisha. Today's topic is basic operations on images. So generally we have two types of operations on images, arithmetic operations and logical operations. First we discuss about the arithmetic operations. So these are the arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So addition operation, add any two matrices because any image is represented with a matrix form. So in a image addition, the corresponding pixels are added together. So first one is one image and second array is nothing but another image. Then add these two. The corresponding pixels means the corresponding position. For example, the first pixel in the first two matrix is 6 and first pixel in the second one is 5. So these are the corresponding pixels. That means 6 plus 5 equal to 11. Similarly, 8 plus 5, 3 plus 1, 0 plus 0. Likewise, if you take any two images with a size of 512 by 512 or 256 by 256, the corresponding pixels are added together. We get the addition image. So this is the example. First one is one image, second one is another image. Then add these two, we get this type of image. And next one is if you take one image and plus 128, that indicates in each pixel in the given image is added with 128. So 128 plus first pixel, 128 plus second pixel, likewise. If the after addition, if any value is more than 255, automatically it can take it as only 255. For example, 246 pixel is there. 246 plus 128 means definitely the addition value is above the 255. But in a image, in a gray level image, we have only 0 to 255, the range of pixels, because it is a 8-bit image. 8-bit image means 2 power 8 equal to 256, including 0 from 0 to 255. Including 0, total number of pixel values are 256 only. That means the entire 8-bit gray level image having the pixel values from 0 to 255 only. At the time of addition, if any value is more than 255, then automatically the system can take it as a 255 only. So 0 to 255 pixel values are there. So this is called addition of any two images. Second one is subtraction operation. So just like addition, here also subtract the corresponding pixels. That means 6 minus 5. 8 minus 5, 2 minus 1. Similarly, for example, in any case, 5 minus 6, that means minus 1. But in a image, it is take it as only 1. That means we can take it as mod value. We get 1, 3, 2, 0 like that. At the time of subtracting the value, we get negative means it is take it as 0 value. So because it value, the pixel values are starts from 0 to 255. Na? So any negative value is there. For example, smaller number minus bigger number means definitely we get some negative value. All these negative values are automatically round figure to the 0. So this is the example for subtraction. First one is one image, second one is another image. Then subtract these two, we get this type of image. So another example is subtract one image minus 128. That means each pixel in the given image is subtracted with a minus 128. Then each pixel minus 128. First pixel, second pixel, third pixel. Likewise, every pixel in the image minus 128. We get this type of image. Just we observe minus 128. We get the values are dark. After subtraction, the image looks like a dark image. That means all the pixels are very near to 0. But see here, at the addition of 128 to the image, the output image is very bright. That means all the pixels are very near to 255. Plus addition means generally what happened? One value plus 128. That means something. The value is very close to 255. It increases. Plus 128 means every pixel value is increases. increases and it is goes towards the 255. That means the entire pixels are goes towards the 255 means what? White color. It is very near to white color. That means the output image after adding the 128 plus image, we get this type of images only. Here also same concept. Subtracting every pixel in the image is subtracted from 128, we get the pixel values are very near to 0 because subtraction, that means the pixel values decreases. Here decreases. At addition it is increases, at subtraction it decreases. Decreases means the pixel values are goes towards the 0. That means it looks like a dark image. Similarly, multiplication. Multiplication also done by using corresponding values, not like a matrix multiplication. Here, the multiplication is done corresponding values: 6 into 5, 8 into 5, 2 into 1, 0 into 0. So, the first pixel in the first image and first pixel in the first image. Like similarly, second pixel in the first image, second pixel in the second image. The corresponding pixel values are multiplied together, we get multiplication. This is the output of multiplication. So first image into second image, we get this type of images. And second example is any image multiplied with the constant value, we get some. So here also just observe into 2. Into 2 means what happened? Every pixel value is double. That means the pixel value is goes towards the 255, near to 255, not exact 255. All values are double means the value, the pixel value is increases. That's why the image looks like a white. And the next one is division operation. So similarly, the similar pixel values are, I mean the corresponding pixel values in a first image and second images are division. 6 by 5, 8 by 5. Generally, we can take it as only round figured values, not 1.5, 2.5 like that. So this is the division operation. First image by second image, we get this type of images, division. And any image division by 2 means every pixel value in the given image is divided by using the constant value 2. So by 2 means what happened? Every pixel value is decreases. Half of the value, we get half of the value because by 2. So half of the value means automatically the pixel value, the original pixel values decreases after division. That means the output of division is looks like a dark image. That means all the pixel values are very near to the 0 side, right? So this is called division. And these are the logical operations. Logical operations means generally we use AND gate and OR gate. So AND gate. So first one is one image and second one is one mask. This is the AND gate mask, second one. So the AND gate mask is embossed on the first one. What happened? 0 indicates, the black color indicates 0 and white color indicates 1. So 1 into anything, same value. It reflects. Just see the output of the AND gate. So remaining portion black, that means 0 into anything 0. The oval shape only having pixel 1 because it is a white color. The pixel value is 1. 1 into anything, same number. So it reflects in the output. And remaining portion is whatever the in the input image, but the mask is 0. The all remaining portion except oval, the all remaining portion is 0 now. So 0 into anything 0. The output is also a 0. So we get only this type of image. And second one is at the logical OR gate. OR gate means addition. Addition is nothing but adding. So 0, that oval shape indicates 0 because it is a black color and remaining portion indicates white color. So 1 plus anything. Generally here 1 is nothing but in a gray level value 255. 255 plus anything means more than 255. Either 255 or more than 255. Hence it is looks like a white color. Whereas in between the oval, the value is 0. 0 plus anything, we get same value, right? So in the oval, we get the original value and remaining values are 255 plus anything, we get above 255 value. Then it looks